Tagbilaran City is growing fast. New building rise, businesses open, and more people move in to seek opportunities.
For many, this brings jobs, convenience, and a better life.
But behind this growth, the city faces challenges that affect both residents and the environment.
As more people move in, the demand for housing, services, and transportation rises. Tagbilaran is expanding quickly upwards and outwards. This rapid growth supports the economy, but it also creates new problems.
More people produce waste. Garbage fill the streets faster than it can be collected.
Lamdagan Street is one of the areas most affected when heavy rains hit. Residents experience the effects of urbanization directly.
Um, para nimo unsay gitanaw nimo nga rason sa baha aning lamdagan?
Sure, kani gamay ra yang drainage.
Gamay rang drainage sa mga basura pod.
Basura na ilabog.
Sa drainage ilabog ang basura.
Bahaan musod ang baha dito sa anak.
Unsa man kasagaran unsa kalawma ang baha ani? Ani?
Di ano taan. Sa kay ano? Dali lang po.
Kanang as residente sa lamdagan unsa man epekto ninyo sa baha?
Kanang
Nakahasol ba nga?
sobra.
Nakahasol.
Oh, kay di ba may kaage? Saan man na?
Para nimo unsay kanang solusyon nga kuan nimo sa baha?
Nga maundang nga baha.
Oo.
Tagaan ini alawman padakan ba?
Sa mga politiko unsay
Ipahunong ang flood control.
ipahunong ang flood control.
Ay di ka. Di na kurakuton ba?
Di na kurakoton.
Hindi kaya yung undang na flood control dyan muna. Baan ka sa manana.
Pwede na mo mahibaw-an kanung unsa ang para nimo ang rason sa baha aning lamdagan.
I think mga konsi yung basura kay tungod sa kanang mo gud ni almost kuan pa ko like grade 1 pa man ko sige nang baan ni din dagan mo kay mga basura ni listang samot ang kana bitong ni maglabog ani mga borders ana magpamutan ng mga basura mo na kanang magtinguan so mag-stock din sa lalo mo na magbaan
Unsa man kasagaran kalawmon ang baha?
kuan mabot mo sila na kapit ari sa tugod
Kanang unsay epekto sa baha ninyo as residents dinhi sa lamdagan?
ang epekto is makakause og kanang samot na bitong sakit which is the leptospirosis bitong so isa po na factor kay mo naman makakause og kanang sakit.
Nya para nimo unsay kanang solusyon sa baha?
Flood control.
Flood control.
Dapat ang taga city is magkuan na sila magbuhat sila action para ma-prevent ang pagbaan.
Definitely, what we sow is what we reap. The flooding in Lamdagan reminds us to the detrimental consequences of our actions, which only we, the inhabitants and other beings, suffer. It reminds us that we have to be responsible inhabitants, taking good care of the environment we live in.
Residents call for better waste management and regular cleaning of drainage. Their experiences shows how environmental issues directly affect communities. Trash and pollutants that reach the sea harm marine life. Plastic and organic waste affect fish, seashells, and other marine resources in the area.
Polluted waters have caused red tides in Tagbilaran Dawis Bay, reducing fish and healthy grown seashell populations and disturbing the marine ecosystem. The balance of the sea is disrupted, affecting fishermen and the natural environment. The health of Tagbilaran Sea reflects the health of city itself.
Urbanization is not the enemy. Growth is necessary, but development must come with responsibility.
Proper waste disposal, improved drainage, and stronger environmental policies can help Tagbilaran grow without harming its environment.
Communities, businesses, and government must work together. Every small action contributes to a cleaner and safer city.
Tagbilaran City is rising, but the progress should never drown the voices of its people or destroy the biodiversity of its seas and the beauty of its communities.
Change starts with us.
Keep our community safe.